here are our ingredients. Bread flour, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon sugar.
Woo.
We don't want to go over 100 degrees, right?
100 and... Uh-oh.
So this is good. This is good for yeast. 1. And what did it say? 1/4?
Yeah. Here. It smells disgusting.
It's yeast.
Exactly.
Mix it up.
This looks weird. Like this much?
Yep. Not even that much. Just a little bit. Mm-hmm. Go ahead and feed it. Feed that yeast, girl. Feed it.
Feed the yeast.
What's wrong with you? See, it's almost ready. Almost there.
It smells like yeast.
Look at that yeast. We know it's live and active. All right, so 3 cups of flour in our bowl.
Our beautiful baking stuff. Yes. Now we shall take you into the field. But it's so creamy now.
It's foamy. There you go. There you go, like that.
Sugar.
This is salt.
Oh.
So 1 1/4. Let's get our whisk.
Mix it up.
Mix it around.
It looks very
All right, now
floury.
we're mixing it in with the yeast. Go ahead.
And
Watch the spoon. All of it and its foam. All right, so now we're going to use the KitchenAid. Lock it in. Put it on 2. Let's put this plastic lid over it just in case.
before anything explodes.
What explodes?
I don't know.
Look at that dough already.
We shall zoom in. Look at our dough. Beautiful dough. We're washing it with flour.
Washing it?
I guess. Just giving it a bath in flour.
Spray this so it doesn't stick.
Just a little pinch of
Ready?
dough.
Got the dough here. Now we're gonna let it rise. Alright, so 2 tablespoons of baking soda.
Soda. Oh wow, that turned white instantly.
Is it all dissolved?
It's fizzing. So, oh look, a tornado of water.
Now it's all dissolved because it's clear again. So our dough has risen. You know, it's like getting flat again now that we've touched it.
Yeah, but what's the purpose of making it rise?
Because it's going to rise again when we put it in this pan.
Just rolling the dough, rolling the dough, rolling the dough, rolling the dough.
No, it's not rolling the way I want it to.
Well, unfortunately, that's all we have. It's becoming very long. We shall watch as the pretzels being made.
And twist.
Then we dip it in this magical water we made.
Here.
And then we put it in this pan with the rest of them and this horrible one that I made. Cool.
Last one. Cover this. And we're going to let them rise again.
And now we press on. And then we wait a bit.
Our towel. We see that they have risen. They are fatties. Bye-bye.
10 minutes. And then on.
Yeah, we'll go in again.
Okay. There we go.
So, brush them with butter.
Brush them with butter. And look how shiny it looks now. Very shiny. And this one's also getting very shiny. Very shiny. Look how shiny they are now.
Then we're going to use
Cinnamon sugar. Ooh. Ah, getting it all over the table. And all over the plate. Sprinkle it. Just sprinkle it.
Enjoy! If you like this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop me a comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.